1. Article writing. If you are a decent writer, you can earn good money by writing articles for people with blogs or websites. Many websites owners need to keep their sites current and up to date to remain popular and keep visitors returning. But they don't have the time to keep creating new content for them. Because of this problem, they hire people who can write on their behalf. In fact, there's thousands of writing opportunities online, many of which pay well. It's knowing how to find the best potential markets, delivering writing that works well online, and growing initial assignments into ongoing relationships that can set you apart from other writers. A good article writer will need to possess good grammar and should communicate well via the written word. The best way to make more money with less work is to specialize in a specific niche. That way, you will write articles way faster, and you can create a portfolio on that topic and use some sample work to introduce yourself to some established websites in that topic, in case they need your help. In order for you to become a content writer, here are some steps you can take. Spend some time learning how to research and write a quality article. Post a profile on freelancing sites such as freelancer.com, guru.com, upwork.com, etc. Describe your interests and your level of expertise. Look for article writing jobs on the same freelancing sites and apply for them. Email the owners of websites that you already like and check if they are looking for writers. Submit your articles to revenue-sharing websites, where they will pay you a certain amount for every view or ad click from your post. Join Facebook groups on the niche you feel comfortable writing and directly contact people that own websites that could use your content. Two of the top revenue-sharing sites are Hubpages. This site is really simple to use. All you have to do is join and upload your first article. You'll need to have your article approved, but as long as it's 700 plus words and free from grammatical and spelling errors, then there shouldn't be a problem. The only drawback is that you need to apply for your own Google AdSense account to get paid. But don't worry, it only takes a few minutes to get one. Text Broker. Text Broker has a few more hurdles than some of the other sites on this list. It's only open to US citizens, and you'll need to submit a sample article when you register. They will then review your sample article and give you a rating between 2 to 5 stars. You can earn anywhere from 0.7 cents to 5 cents per word, depending on your rating. The minimum payment is $10 by PayPal. Lastly, you can post articles that sites will pay you on a per-article basis. One of the most popular sites is iWriter. Their rate is around $1.25 for a 150-word article, and their minimum payout is $20. One downside is that clients on iWriter do not have to approve your article. If they reject it, you won't get paid. Typically, you'll get around 80 to 90% of your articles approved, while the other 10 to 20% will require some editing. Delivering high-quality content will help you earn more money on this site. After you've received 4-star reviews for 30 articles, you'll become a premium writer, doubling your pay. And when you hit 30 articles with 4.5-star reviews, you'll get triple pay and be an elite writer. So how much can I make out of article writing? Content writing jobs can pay anywhere from $1 to over $100 based on the length of the article, quality, and your expertise. If you're already an expert on the topic you're writing about, you can often charge a premium. Even if you are new to writing, you can make upwards of $1 for each 100 words you write.